Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make an alternative, our option. If you don't have any buttons, you can make your own by using your crochet yarn and your hook. So let's get started. So what you can do is you can either use your finger to roll your yarn, or you can use a pen, or you can use a crochet hook. You can just roll your yarn a few times and take it out. And then insert your crochet hook into that hole. Grab your yarn and make a single crochet. We're going to make a single crochet around this circle. Just simply cover with single crochet that part of the yarn that you rolled a while ago. There is no certain number of chains that you need to do. As long as it is fully covered, then it will be enough. Now that you're sure that you have fully covered the roll of yarn that you made a while ago, then you can slip stitch on your first single crochet and chain one. Now we're going to make our second round of single crochet. So now you can slip stitch and ready to cut your yarn.